Are you ready to snipe tokens like a pro on Solana? Welcome to SolSniper, the fastest and smartest way to catch new launches before anyone else. Whether you're flipping meme coins or hunting hidden gems, this is your edge in the market. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get started, navigate the platform, and make your first successful snipe. Let's dive in. As for our buy-sell settings, these are settings I'm going to be using for the first trade in this video. Feel free to pause, whatever. As you can see, I have my amounts, slippage, take profit, etc. I won't be using trailing stop loss, but you guys, if you know how to, feel free to top of that box. And as for RPC, if you have one, you can put the endpoints here. I won't be using one for this video, but it is an option. As for safety, so obviously I have the premium safety settings. As you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and take the graduated from pump.fun option. This is only an option for our premium members as of now, which is another reason you guys need to go ahead and lock in with premium. But everything below that is completely free. These are premium. I do highly recommend that you use freeze and mint authority renounced toggle boxes, as this will avoid you getting to tokens that are freezable or mintable, which is really important because obviously nobody wants to buy an frozen token. So you guys can go to the site yourself, check out what these are, but it is pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and click this button right here and run the bot. And as you guys can see, we've started sniping pump.fun migrators from PumpSwap according to my settings, and I'll get back to you guys when we're in a trade. And bang, guys, just like that, we are in a trade here. As you can see, we skipped over tokens that didn't graduate, and now we are in a trade right now, guys. And as you can see the chart here, we have our profit, and so yeah, here we are riding this trade right here, you guys, and boom, multiple buyers coming in. We are up 12.5%, 13%, guys, 19.9, and bang, our take profit was reached and we are out that quick, guys. I mean, it's just amazing, guys, what the spot can do for you. And as you saw there, it took us a few minutes to snipe into a token, and boom, 25% profit just like that within 45 seconds, guys. 45 seconds. If that doesn't encourage you guys to hop on SolSniper, I don't know what does. And now we're gonna go and find another trade, guys. Let's lock in. All right, guys, so OBS did glitch out, but I do want to show you guys the trades we ended up getting into. So the second time around, we actually just sniped into 2 tokens at once and hit both of our take profits. So I want to show you guys the transaction logs, even though I missed the chart recording. As you guys can see here, it was a bit of a roller coaster, but here we got in on a token. We actually got in right before a spike, and our take profit reached immediately. As you guys see there, we hit it in 1.7 seconds. Scroll up, and we hit the take profit on the second token as well after about a few minutes. So because of that error and the recording messing up there, I didn't want you guys to transactions, but we're also going to do one more trade this video, and then we'll have to wrap it up, guys. But I just want to continue to show you guys SolSniper's worth in this tutorial video and show you guys how to use the bot. So I'll be right back with you boys once again when we enter another trade. Bang, guys, there was another trade. I know that was fast. I clicked record as soon as we got into it, but our take profit reached immediately. I mean, that took 13 seconds. And also I did lower the take profit to 10% for sake of the video length, but I had it at 10 and we took it out at 18. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that, guys. But I do think that those 4 trades are going to go ahead and conclude the video tonight. One more thing though I do want to touch on before we wrap up is in the bot, as you can see at the bottom, you have a Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Those are our 3 platforms. Would love to have you guys on each and every single one of those. So when on the sniping website, you know, make sure you check out the bottom right. I would love to have you in any of those servers, if not all of them. So please come and join us, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep on sniping.